hint number two is about customization. So you gotta customize your curriculum. So another common mistake is that the applicant, they use the same CV template and content for all vacancies that they apply. So it doesn't matter if it is company A, B, C, or D, position A, B, C, or D, they use the same curriculum vitae, they use the same content. So that's a big mistake. So the CV needs to be or must be personalized and customized for each vacancy to be contested. And this does not mean that you must invent experiences just to align with the position, but you gotta look at yourself and then, all right, if this position, let's say that a civil engineer is applying for a position to work in with the structures, and that civil engineer has lots of experience in not just structures but also in residential, commercial, roads, and other areas. So make sure that you research about the company, research about the projects, and if the position is about structures, try to focus on structures results, your structural capabilities, your structural skills.